Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Join me as I challenge myself to bake the perfect soft dinner rolls from scratch, and I promise to make it super easy for all of you beginners. There's something really special about biting into a freshly baked dinner rolls, giving way to a softness inside it. It's just so satisfying, and the best part is it's actually way too easier to make at home than you might think. Yes, you heard me right. To make these soft dinner rolls, you will need flour, milk, warm milk actually, yeast, egg, and butter or cooking margarine, and sugar. And you also need a mixing bowl, baking pan, and a baking sheet. Now, the first step is to mix all ingredients in a mixing bowl and mix everything together until you get a shaggy dough. After that, knead the dough for a few minutes, then add in your butter and continue kneading until smooth and elastic. You can also do this in a standing mixer if you have one. Once the dough is ready, cover it up and let it rise in a warm place for an hour or until it's double its original size. After the dough rises, punch it to remove excess air and then cut it into small pieces. Shape it into balls, place it in your baking pan lined with baking paper and leave it to rise again for 20 minutes. After it rises, set a small bowl aside, put an egg yolk, mix with 2 teaspoons of milk, and then brush it over the dough. I don't have brush, that's why I use a rubber spoon for the brushing. After this process, bake it in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. The end result is just so incredible. You can enjoy it plain with Nutella or butter or any spread of your choice. If you are new to bread baking or to dinner roll baking, don't be afraid to give this a try. It's really easy, I'm telling you. It's really easier than you think. Just remember to keep it simple and have fun with the process. There's fun in making this dough and molding and kneading and then making the bowl shapes. Thanks so much for watching, and I would love to hear about your own dinner rolls making or bread making experiences in the comments below. If you are new to this channel, check out my older baking tutorials for easy recipes and tips, and make sure you subscribe. Happy watching. Bye. Love you.